Hello everyone. Today we will start Unit 7 Fraction. Important points. Fraction. Definition of fraction is a fraction is a number representing a part of whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. For example, in the definition there is written the whole may be a single object or a group of a object. I will explain it by the example. A single object means we have a single circle and it divides in three parts and we are shading it only the one part of it. It means one part is shaded so that we will say it 1/3, and if we have shaded two parts we will write 2/3. A group of object. Example of group of object. It means we have 6 circles and we have shaded here 2, so that we will write 2/6. In fraction, upper digit is called numerator and lower digit is called denominator. Now I will explain types of fraction. First fraction is proper fraction. Yes, proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. Example, 2/7, 1/6. 2 is the smaller number than 7, same as 1 is smaller than 6. Second is improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 6/3. 6/3 means numerator is greater than denominator. And 9/5, again numerator is greater than denominator. One more. Here is written equal to its denominator, means numerator can be equal to denominator. That will also the condition of improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. A combination of a whole number and proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. For example, 2 1/3 and 4 2/7. From 2 1/3, 2 is a whole number and 1/3 is a proper fraction. Okay, child? Look here, children. Always 1 is greater than proper fraction and 1 is smaller than improper or mixed fraction. Yes, student. Now number 4, equivalent fraction. 2 or more fractions representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fraction. We may multiply or divide both numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. For example, 3/7 we have. 3 will multiply with 3, we get the 9. 7 multiply with the same numerator and denominator both multiply with same number. 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. So that 3/7 is equivalent of 9/21. At number 5, like fraction. Fraction having the same denominator are called like fractions. If we have same denominator in fractions, it means these fractions are called like fraction. unlike fraction. Fraction having different denominator are called unlike fraction. Different denominator, here denominator is 7, here 8, here 6, all are different numbers, so these are called unlike fractions. At 7 number, unit fraction, a fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 8, both side we have one numerator, so it is unit fraction. Hope you all have understood these important points.